Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to add a subdomain on Cpanel account. First, please log in with your credentials in Cpanel. This is how it's supposed to look. But be aware that theme may vary. We need to find the section Subdomains. After you find it, click on it. On this page, please write the name of your new subdomain on field Subdomain. If you have multiple domains, you can select the domain for this subdomain. Please note that the document root is very important. You can change that, but I suggest you leave it like that. If you will wish to upload some files to your new subdomain, you will need to go to File Manager and select the folder that is here, the document root. Press on Create and your new subdomain should be ready in a few seconds. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe.